Namaste, Khusrao Betiya. I, Zabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today we will discuss about some general stages of data warehouse. So, some database operation which is performed offline and some operation is performed by online. So, data warehouse has some stages. The following are general stages of use of the data warehouse. The first one is your offline operational database. In this stage, data is just copied from an operational system to another server. In this way, loading, processing, and reporting of the copied data do not impact the operational system's performance. The second stage of the data warehouse is the offline data warehouse. Data in the data warehouse is regularly updated from the operational database. The data in a data warehouse is mapped and transformed to meet the data warehouse objective. Real-time data warehouse. In this stage, data warehouse are updated whenever any transaction takes place in operational database, for example, airplane or railway booking system. Integrated data warehouse are updated continuously when the operational system performs a transaction. The data warehouse then generates transactions which are passed back to the operational system. Here are some components of data warehouse. The four components of data warehouse are load manager, which is also called front component, and it performs with all the operations associated with the extraction and load of data into the warehouse. This operation includes transformation to prepare the data for entering into the data warehouse. Okay, so load manager prepare the data to prepare the data for entering into the data warehouse. So warehouse manager performs operations associated with the management of the data in the data warehouse. It performs operations like analysis of data to ensure consistency, creation of indexes and views, generation of normalization and aggregation, transformation and merging of sources data, and archiving and backing of data. And the query manager is also known as backend component. It performs all the operations related to the management of user queries. The operation of these data warehouse components are direct queries to the appropriate table for scheduling the execution of query. And user access tools, this is categorized into 5 different groups like data reporting, query tools, application development tools, EIS tools and OLAP tools, and data mining tools. We need data warehouse. Data warehouse is needed for all types of users like decision makers who rely on mass amount of data, users who are customized complex process to obtain information from multiple data sources. It is also used by the people who want simple technology to access the data. It is also essential for those people who want a systematic approach for making decisions. If the user wants fast performance on a huge amount of data, which is necessarily for report, grid or chart. And data warehouse is the first step if you want to discover hidden pattern of data flows and grouping. So this is all about of this session. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Thank you, class.